Hello and welcome to this video on how to use ChatGPT to make money. ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI that can help you generate text for a wide range of applications. One of the many ways you can use ChatGPT is to make money online. In this video, we will explore several methods for using ChatGPT to generate income. Let's get started. Method 1. Content creation. One way to use ChatGPT to make money is by creating content. Whether you are a blogger, YouTuber, or social media influencer, ChatGPT can help you generate fresh ideas and unique content for your audience.
For example, if you are a YouTuber, you can use ChatGPT to generate video ideas, write video scripts, and even create video titles and descriptions. This can save you a lot of time and effort, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your channel.
Method 2. Copywriting.
Another way to use ChatGPT to make money is by providing copywriting services. ChatGPT can help you write compelling sales copy, product descriptions, and even website content.
As a copywriter, you can charge clients for your services and use ChatGPT to help you deliver high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Method 3. Product creation.
ChatGPT can also help you create digital products to sell online. For example, you can use ChatGPT to create eBooks, courses, and even software applications.
By leveraging the power of ChatGPT, you can create products that are unique and valuable to your target audience. This can help you generate passive income and build a sustainable business over time. Method 4. Research and analysis. Finally, you can use ChatGPT to conduct research and analysis for clients. ChatGPT can help you gather and analyze data, conduct market research, and even provide insights into consumer behavior.
By offering these services, you can charge clients for your expertise and use ChatGPT to help you deliver accurate and valuable information quickly.
In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you make money online in a variety of ways. Whether you are a content creator, copywriter, product creator, or researcher, ChatGPT can help you generate high-quality content and insights for your clients and audience. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below.